RIME stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Algorhythm Holdings stock, we are around 2 cents or something like that. Just like observing the Algorhythm Holdings stock, it's just melting. And I mean, I've been sitting here just consistently being loyal to the grind. And like, I can confidently say since last time I made a video on it, and I do have all the proof to back it up, by the way, here it is. This was made 3 weeks ago, 9th of January. It was sitting at 16 cents at the time. Now we're at 2 cents freaking packet, yo. Nah, yeah, it's bad. It's not looking good. But yeah. Let me know what is your opinion on RIME. For me, honestly, like, it's just that, you know, it's not that I'm gonna just immediately short. It's just that the bias is bearish, and as long as I get a double break, then I'm taking things lower. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. I'll get back.